Oh, here we go. Trying to.
I thought it was you guys. I didn't know.
All right.
All right.
Is that all you can eat?
No.
Oh, okay, just checking.
No, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I did that once. We had a family eat us some
So this is the whitefish, and what Mark and I do is we get the whitefish chowder instead of the fries. Considering we're both about 50 pounds overweight, it's a good idea. Although, as you can see, the whitefish chowder isn't exactly Weight Watchers, but it's good. And when you get this age, who cares how fat you get, right, Mark?
That's right.
So the owner may come out, and I'll show you another behind-the-scenes video. But right now, we're going to eat this great whitefish.
Best whitefish in Michigan.
Yep.